Good morning, students. Students, yesterday we discussed in live classes, chapter number second, last part, and chapter number third. First part is also completed. Now I am going to start chapter number third, part second. Very important chapter, and this is also related to. It is also an imaginary chapter. You can say it is also an imaginary story. Students, in part second, the name of the part second is The Black Aeroplane. I want to discuss about the introduction summary of the chapter. In this, students, जैसे before the first part, we have discussed it is a imaginary story, it is a mysterious story. Students, have you seen witches or ghosts? This is a kind of supernatural story, and in this story I want to discuss about the supernatural elements, how he helped the pilot. I have written some clue, note down. This is a mysterious story. The writer was flying his Dakota and aeroplane. वो क्या कर रहा था? वो अपनी Dakota aeroplane से वह उड़ान कर रहा था ऊपर. Suddenly he was caught in big cloud and his compass, radio, other instruments failed. It means all of a sudden he saw sky clouds. He saw it was black and his instruments, compass, radio and other instrument failed. Suddenly he saw a black aeroplane near him. When his instrument was failed and he was very nervous, at that time he saw a black aeroplane near him. अपने नज़दीक उसने एक ब्लैक एरोप्लेन देखा हो. The pilot in that plane guided him. उसमें जो पायलट था वो गाइड कर रहा था. The pilot in that plane guided him. As a result, he was able to land safely. It means कि hardly he reached down and he came safely. When he came here and then he went to the pilot, and that time there was a lady, but he was very surprised. क्यों? उसने देखा कि बहुत he was very surprised because he does not know who helped him. Students, in this chapter we can say he decided to call Paris control room, and that he told that he was on his way in England because his parents were waiting. They hoped that he is coming and we will take breakfast early in the morning. And he decided to go back to the Paris, but he wanted to go home because his parents were waiting. So he took the risk and few steps in the storm. Students, I want to complete the summary of the last paragraph. Then in the black clouds, he saw another aeroplane. क्या देखा उसने? When he saw in the black clouds, he saw another aeroplane. It had no lights. It had no wings. He could see it flying. And he was glad to see another pilot because he understood that anyone who is helping me. And thus we can say when he came down, when he reached safely, he was very surprised and he went to the lady. The lady, he was a pilot and she was controlling, and he asked how I came here, who helped me. The lady said that nobody was there. He asked a woman where he was. He looked at it strangely, and then she laughed. She told that there was no other aeroplane except that of him. The author was very surprised. उसने वो बहुत surprised हुआ हो कि nobody was there. How I came here? The author was very surprised and he wondered who had helped him to agree to active there. He was without a compass or a radio and without any other instrument. Means his all instrument failed, and who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights. Students, मैंने आपको I told you before कि this was an imaginary story and you can believe that कि this is the complete explanation of the supernatural elements and it is also an imaginary story and it is also a mysterious story. I hope that part second the black aeroplane is clear. That's all.